Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky. Welcome to day 12 of our daily lesson streak. Today we're going to be looking at a hand exercise that's going to help you move from your single stroke roll to your double stroke roll with smoothness and fluidity. This exercise is for beginners and advanced players alike, depending on what tempo you plan on taking it at. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so you can join me each and every day as I bring you a new video drum lesson. Let's get into this simple yet effective exercise. Here's today's exercise. So today's exercise consists of 3 different rudiments being played in succession and rotating around. I'll talk to you about 3 different ways that you can play this. Now, the goal of this exercise is to help you move from your single strokes to your double strokes with more ease and fluidity. So you should be able to play a single stroke roll at any given tempo. And while you're playing it, you should be able to drop into a double stroke roll kind of without making a big noticeable change. That's kind of the goal of this exercise. So 3 components. The first component is a single stroke roll, which is just right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Pretty easy. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. The second component is a paradiddle. Single paradiddle is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So paradiddle, and a diddle is 2 strokes on one hand, and then starting on the left hand, paradiddle. You can play paradiddles accented or unaccented. Unaccented sounds like this. Accented sounds like this. In this exercise, we're going to use unaccented paradiddles. The final component to this exercise is a double stroke roll, or double strokes, which is right, right, left, left, cycled as 16 notes. So right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Those are the 3 components. Now, I like to put a check pattern between any of the components, and I'll talk about what a check pattern is. And I like to do that because it keeps this thing even. So there is a version of this exercise that just goes single stroke, paradiddle, double stroke, and you play 2 of each. So you'll play singles, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, then paradiddles, paradiddle, paradiddle, then doubles. Double stroke, double stroke. I don't necessarily like to play it that way. So what I do is I insert single strokes between the paradiddles and the doubles for the initial start of this exercise. So we'll play right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, then paradiddle, then right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, then double. Single, paradiddle, single, double. All right, so let's play that together at this tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Single. Paradiddle. Single. Double. Single. Paradiddle. Single. Double. Good. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Play along. Good. And you can get this thing cooking pretty good. Okay, now some variations on this same thing. So instead of using the single strokes as our check pattern, which is that pattern that we're putting between the paradiddles and the doubles, we can use paradiddles as our check pattern. So we can start with paradiddles, then play singles, then play paradiddles, then play doubles. So that would sound like this. Paradiddle, paradiddle, single. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double. Paradiddle, paradiddle, single. Paradiddle, paradiddle. You can also use doubles as your check pattern. So you're going to play double, single, double, paradiddle. All right, so I'm going to play through all those variations. Here is the paradiddle check pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paradiddle, paradiddle, single. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double. Paradiddle, paradiddle, single. Paradiddle, paradiddle, double. And here is the doubles variation. 1, 2, 3, double. Single. Double. Paradiddle. Double. Single. Double. Paradiddle. Double, single, double, paradiddle. Final challenge. Play this thing around the kit, right? So we got 3 different kind of exercises. You can pick a drum for each one. So say I'm going to put the doubles on the small tom. I'll put the paradiddles on the floor tom. Put the singles on the snare. That might sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a good exercise, especially because you're doing something over here and you have to like get your left hand over, or just move your right hand around. Or just the left hand. So on and so forth. Get creative with your exercises. They can be a lot of fun if you start to orchestrate them around and really train your ear. Cool. I hope that exercise helps you out. I know this is a short lesson, but I want to get one out to you guys. And it's Friday, so I'm spending some extra time with my family today. We're doing a movie night tonight, but I wanted to get you guys a lesson. I'll see you guys tomorrow for some beginner drum fills, some kind of a stick trick on Sunday. And then next week, we're going to get back into the intermediate or advanced type stuff. You don't want to miss that. And if you're a beginner, come along with me, because in all of my lessons, I want to try to make each lesson applicable to a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced player. So I'll have a little nugget in each lesson for any one of you guys who's watching. See you guys next time.